Welcome. In this session, we will use Microsoft Power BI Desktop to create a data model and report containing interactive data visualization. The first step is to install Power BI Desktop. So open a new tab and type aka.ms slash power hyphen BI hyphen desktop. And after pressing enter, you will get a download as it will download your Power BI desktop setup. I have already downloaded it, so I'm canceling it. And the next step is to install it. The installation is pretty simple. You can just select your language and next, install. Now, after installing Power BI, it will open something like this. Now we are ready to import the data for our report. So on the Power BI desktop, click on Get Data from Other Sources. And in here, we will select Web in the All interface. After scrolling down a little bit, you will see Web somewhere. I can't find it. You just search it. And here it is, Web. Let's click on Connect. And this is from the web dialog box. You have to enter a URL. The first one is a customers.csv table. It's available on github.com/Microsoft Learning. Let's click on OK. Now our table as a preview. Now we verify that the URL opens the dataset, which it does. And let's select load to load the data into the data model for our report. It will take some time. It's done. Now this is the main Power BI window. Let's select get data to import two more tables that we will be using. So let's select web here and let's use the products table now. Click on OK, load, and again to import the third table, that is orders table. OK, and load. Now the next step is to explore the data model. The three data tables we have imported have been loaded into a data model. Now go on the left hand side and select Model View tab. In here you will see your tables. You can arrange it or arrange them in the order customers to orders and then to products. Now in the orders table, select the revenue field. Here it is and right click on it. After clicking on it in the properties tab, scroll down, you will see the format and change its format from general to currency. This step will ensure that revenue values are displayed as currency in report visualizations. Now in the products table, we have we will right click on category or you can just click on the three dots and to open its menu, let's select create hierarchy. This will create a hierarchy named category hierarchy. You can see after scrolling down. Or you can also see it in the data pane here in the products table category hierarchy. The categories inside that. Now in the products table, right click on the product's name or click on the menu and select add to hierarchy and then category hierarchy. This adds product name to the category hierarchy that you previously created. Now in the data pane, right click on the category hierarchy and select rename. We will rename it to categorized product and press enter. It's been renamed. Now on the left side pane, select table view. This is second option is the table view. Now there is a data pane with our categorized product present here. Here we will first select the customers table and select the city column header. This will select the city, and on the top pane we will select data category from uncategorized to city. This step will ensure that the values in this column are interpreted as city names, which can be useful if you intend to include map visualizations. Now the next step is to create a report. So first we will need to check some settings to ensure that all visualizations are enabled. Now click on the file menu and on the bottom left select options and settings, and here select options. A new pane or window will open, and now in the global settings select security. Scroll down to see map and filled map visuals. Now it should be enabled. If not, you can do so and then click on OK. This setting ensures that you can include map visualizations in report. Now on the left hand side pane, go to report view, and this is the report design interface. Now in the pane or the ribbon above the report design, let's select a text box, and here we will type sales report and change the size. 32 is fine, and let's also make it bold. Now click on any empty area to deselect the text box. On the right hand side there is the data pane. In the data pane, expand the products table, and here select the categorized product. This will create a table or add the table to the report. You can shorten the size. Well, here it is. And now with this categorized products selected, expand the orders table to select the revenue, and this will add a column of revenue in this table. This is sum of revenue. The revenue we formatted as currency in the previous model, and however we didn't specify the number of decimal places, so the value include fractional amounts and point to 4 digits or even 5 digits some places. So it won't matter in the visualization that we are going to create, but you can go back to the model and change the decimal places if you wish. With the table selected, and the table is currently selected as you can see, go to visualizations and click on add data to your visuals. The first option in build visuals, and let's select um, stacked column chart. This will convert our table into a column chart, and it's showing sum by category or revenue by category. Now in this chart, let's select the drill down button, which is the bottom arrow button. This will enable drill down, and after you select a column in the table, it will show you individual products category. Like you can see, I have selected mountain bikes. It's showing me individual as mountain bikes. Let's go back, select drill up. Let me show you something that has less amounts. Let's select chains or caps, whatever this is. And here it is HL bottom bracket. So you can select any individual. Also this HL crankset and everything else. Now this is possible because we defined a hierarchy of categories and products. Now go to the blank area and again select in the orders table. Let's select quantity and select why it's not selected. Sorry. And in the category table, we will select the product ID. Let's see this category quantity. So, and let's move this to the side, and in here let's select pie chart. This creates a new visualization of sum of quantity by category and percentages. Now select the blank area, and in the data pane, let's select city in the customers table, and here is the city. And let's select revenue field in the orders table, and here is our revenue. And now in the visualizations, let's select map. Here is the map. This one is the map. Let's see, it is. Uh, I'm getting some permissions error, but you will get this as a map being shown here. And now you can click on file. Let's close this. You can click on file to save this report. You can give an appropriate name. The PBIX will be saved. And once you have saved, you can open the file and explore data modeling and visualization further at your leisure. That is all for this lab. Thank you.